really excited to play with those brushes. They're so pretty. Look at them. Like, they're purple and crystally looking. Yeah, no, brushes are dope. This is that setting spray. I didn't think I actually ended up getting the setting spray. I thought I took it out of my cart. But this bottle's super cute, and well, I'll spray it there. Oh yeah, no, that smells like Greek lemonade. It kind of reminds me of my childhood. And yeah, second time filming the unboxing because I fucked up the first time. Loose pigment. So it looks white, but it's this beautiful pearly dual chromey blue color. And then last but not least are the Diamond Star lipsticks. Really excited about this black. There they are, with a little bit of a setting spray on top of them. Really excited about the black and this purple and this blue, and I'm really feeling that peachy, neutrally colored tony right there. And even this purple looks really cool with a little bit of that pigment on it. No, I'm not talking to you. Well, I'm talking at you. I'm not expecting you to answer. Like, there's no transfer. I just like rubbed it like all over my my fingers all over it. Oh. I mean, that one's a bad example because I just stop right